If you've ever been frustrated by the shortcomings of a red laser, you've got to check out what Julie has here from Dewalt. It's green line laser.
You got it. Hi there. Nice to see you, Evan.
Tell us about this.
We've got this new product out in the marketplace. This is the green crossline laser 360. It's compatible with your 12 volt and your 20 volt batteries.
That's super important.
Really awesome. And the green laser. So just pop your battery right in here and then turn it on. You've got a battery indicator right here, as well as 3 options to choose from. You've got your line laser here, your plumb, and then your cross line. Amazing part is 360, so it will swivel around as you would like, as well as some fine tuning to swivel. You've got your bracket mounting on the side, as well as a magnetic bottom, and then you've got your threaded tripods, so you can mount it anywhere needed.
What's the runtime on this?
Oh gosh, this one's almost 8 hours, and maybe sometimes up to 10.
I don't even know if I can work 10 hours in a day.
And you've got, with the green laser, you've got 100-foot visibility as well. It's great for tiling, plumbing work, and framing, but really anybody can use this.
That's awesome. Julie, thanks so much. You've got to check out the green crossline laser today from Dewalt. It's available at your neighborhood. Do it best.